Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my new video. Today I wanna share about VPN. What is VPN? Virtual Network, Virtual Protection Network. Now I wanna share about it. Now open a search engine. I choose Google search engine and search on top box VPN, Virtual Protection Network. Hit enter. What is VPN? Proxy server USA online VPN connect one search engine by VPN online. What is VPN? Search on Wikipedia. A VPN is VPN service with application for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, and Android TV. Manual setup is available for wireless router, NAS device, and other platform. NordVPN is developed by Nord Security, a company that creates cybersecurity software and was entirely supported by the Lithium Start Accelerator to Business Integrated Prison. History. NordVPN was established in 2012 by a group of childhood friends which include Tom Ockman. Late in May 2016, it presented an Android app, followed by iOS app in June in the same year. In October 2017, it launched a browser extension for Google Chrome. In June 2018, its server launched an application for Android TV. As of June 2021, NordVPN was operating 5,600 servers in 59 countries. In March 2019, it was reported that NordVPN received a directive from Russian authorities to join a state-sponsored registry of banned websites, which would prevent Russian NordVPN users from cryptography state concepts. NordVPN was reportedly given 1 month for complete or phase booking by Russian authority. The provider declined to comply with the request and shut down its Russian server on April 1. As a result, NordVPN is still report operator in Russia, but its Russian users have no access to local server. So today that's enough. Bye bye.